Great. Thanks, Jim. So one of the things that I work at internally at Box is some of the marketing campaigns and the structure that goes in behind it. And I just wanted to spend a little bit of time explaining how we are using the technology, how you can use the technology, how you can leverage products like CRM to make it easier and more productive. So here, this is an example of, I'm sitting here, I'm at Bing, and I'm a user around the world, and I want to Google what is the difference basically between SSRS versus OLAP. I don't know, and I want to query. So when I click on that, what immediately is going to pop up, or at least you hope will pop up, is a video or a reference that points people back indirectly to your website.
To a crystal report or...
So, it's already clicking here. So if I click on this, this is actually me. I'm at number one on a YouTube channel that will talk to people about running Dynamics and comparing it. So we are number one here. That's because we're specifically targeting business intelligence, and I'm using all the tag words to drive any inquiries about business intelligence, Dynamics NAV, Power BI, OLAP Cubes, etc. I'm purposely driving people through search engine optimization. We're not paying anybody to do this. I'm simply sitting there, I'm getting Jim to do tweets, and we're putting it on LinkedIn profiles. We're just generating a lot of traffic around this concept because what we want people to do is come to our website. So what do? They first start off with saying, well, that was kind of an interesting video.
Next topic,
oh, I wonder who this company is. I wonder if they have any other interesting videos. Oh, I wonder, you can come down and take a look at things about the customer service module or things about drop shipments and intercompanies. And eventually what you want to do is drive people back to your website. And your website, remember, what we're really working on is the top of the marketing funnel. We haven't actively engaged anybody. We're just trying to engage people in conversation. Jim likes to say we're probing for signs of life. So we want to know if people are actually interested. So here, our goal of all of the social media, it is not designed to replace our targeted marketing campaigns, our directed phone campaigns, our email campaigns. It's simply out there to help drive people to an event. At least that's what we do internally. Driving people to an event might be coming to this webinar. It might be coming to future webinars that are of interest to them. We are hoping, ideally, to get people hooked on informative information that is generated through our blog. Our blog acts as another concept called content marketing. Content marketing will provide informative information so that people don't have to go out to 5 or 6 different sites. They're interested in our products, they're interested in our services, and they want to find more out about Dynamics, about CRM, about what's new, about what's in business intelligence. We're using concepts of, this is called an infographic that's driving marketing campaigns, and hope people will tweet this out. It's graphic, it's intense. People you might be able to share that around the world, or people might be coming in here and subscribing to your channel because they want to know more about the things that you're talking about. So I try to keep here what's relevant and what people might want to know what a data mart is as an IT manager. And I go through and I describe exactly what it's like in the data warehouse, in the data mart, in the data cube. I've just basically condensed some of the material that's out there on the web and presented it in a consumable format for people that might have an interest in your product, but they're not maybe ready to buy. So the overall concept that we're trying to do here is that top of the marketing funnel is to generate interest within the organization and drive people to some sort of internal campaign that you're managing.